So in this video I'll be sharing the recipe of delicious restaurant style dal fry. This is one of the most popular yet one of the most easiest recipe that is served in restaurant, can be prepared very easily at home and the ingredients are very simple. Do try out this recipe next time when you are planning to make dal fry. Hey guys, I am Subankari and I welcome you all to my channel Sus Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. So let's begin with this easy dal fry recipe. So for this recipe I have soaked around 200 grams of split Pigeon peas or Arhar dal. For around 30 minutes I had washed this dal for around 2 to 3 times, and this goes in pressure cooker. Turmeric powder I'll add around 1 teaspoon, salt as per taste around half teaspoon to 1 teaspoon, and 2 bay leaves I have washed and added. Trick here is that we need to add water just 1 inch above the dal or lentil. That's important. Pressure cook this for 1 whistle in high flame and 1 whistle in low flame, and I'll wait till the gas or pressure resets, and after that I'll just check out my dal or lentil. It's perfectly done. It's still intact yet it has softened. This is the texture we want for a perfect restaurant style dal fry. It should not be mushy at all. So this texture is perfect for us. So let's prepare for the tempering or tadka. In a pan, I'll heat 2 tablespoons of oil, normal cooking oil, and to it either you can add butter or ghee around 1 tablespoon. Completely depends upon your choice. Once it's heated, I'll add 2 dried red chilies. Cumin seeds 1 teaspoon goes in, and mustard seeds goes around half teaspoon, the black one. Wait till it starts to splutter. Once this seed starts to splutter, they will release the essential oil in this butter, and then goes to this tempering few curry leaves. Curry leaves add a very nice zing to this flavor of the dal, and then green chili I have added 2. Those are chopped, depends upon your taste. Fry all these ingredients till they release their nice essence, and then I have chopped 10 garlic pods and I have grated 2 ginger. This goes in, and this is the peculiar restaurant style or dhaba style. First in the tempering we always add onions, but this recipe we'll be adding the ginger and garlic, and then once they are sorted it will take just few seconds. I'll add 2 medium size onions. These are finely chopped, and increase the flame for initial 1 to 2 minutes, and then reduce the flame to medium and fry these onions, ginger, garlic and all the nice elements in medium flame for around 4 to 5 minutes till they have softened, and then on medium flame I have added 1 large tomato. This is also finely chopped. After adding the tomatoes, increase the flame. I need to saute these tomatoes for around 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Basically motive here is that the tomatoes should retain their shape yet they should be soft. For that it's very important they should not release their moisture, and as you can see these tomatoes have softened perfectly and yet they have intact their size. I mean they are looking very nice in this tempering. So this is what we want. We don't want a mushy paste of tomatoes. We want the tits and bits. That's the perfect way to make a restaurant style dal fry. Once this tempering is done, increase the flame for 1 minute so that the pan nicely heats up, and then add the boiled lentil or dal. That will give the essential zing for this dal tadka, and give it a mix on high flame. And now in high flame at this stage, taste the dal tadka and adjust the salt and water according to your wish. I have discarded this bay leaf at this stage, and as it starts to boil, I'll cover it, reduce the flame to medium and wait for around 3 to 4 minutes so that all the flavors of ginger, garlic, onions, the butter and the nice tempering goes inside this dal in 2 to 3 minutes, and after 2 to 3 minutes this is what it looks like. It's perfectly done. The dal is still intact. Yes, it's soft and mushy. Tomatoes can be seen yet they're soft, and now it's time to add the final tempering. At final tempering I'll be using around 1 tablespoon of ghee. You can also use butter. Heat it on medium flame. Take off from gas and add turmeric, pinch and some Kashmiri red chilli powder. This is just only for color, so make sure you don't overheat the ghee, otherwise the Kashmiri red chilli color will instantly change. And this goes on this dal for the final look and taste. So that's it. Switch off the flame and serve this dal fry immediately. You will love this flavor, especially the look. So here I have served my restaurant style dal fry, and the best part of this dal fry is that the dal or lentil has still intacted its texture yet it's super soft. As I said, it is very important for restaurant style dal fry to look in a particular manner, and this is it. I have added some more tadka on the top of it before serving, and of course some green coriander leaves. This will always add to the texture and the taste of dal fry. So my dal fry is over, and look how beautiful this dish is looking, exactly like the way we order from restaurants. And I have shared many small tips and tricks to make dal fry in the perfect way. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. And now it's time for the comment of the day, and today's comment of the day is from Swagatika Mahapatra. She writes, nowadays, when Arabian cuisine is getting really famous in Odisha, where people are going to Arabian restaurants and trying mandis, today while I was scrolling, I found a masterpiece recipe which can save our thousands of rupees. What a delicious recipe, ma'am! It was uploaded a year ago, and today when the mandi trend is everywhere, I found it. You are such a gem cook. I can understand how much effort it takes to bring such unique recipes with proper authenticity. And as far as I know, you are a working individual, so hats off to you, ma'am, for bringing such amazing delicacies. I follow and try all your recipes. They are fab. I wish you cross 1 million soon, cause you are genuinely deserve it. Lots of love and good wishes. Thank you so much, Swagatika. Thank you for so much love and support. I really loved each and every word of yours. Thank you so much for observing even my old recipes. Thanks a lot. Stay safe and stay connected. And for today's recipe, that's restaurant style perfect dal fry. So try this out and let me know how it turned out. You can also follow Su's Food Corner in Instagram and Facebook. And if you have liked today's video, do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.